Hello everyone and welcome to SmartRepricer Basic Learning Series. Today we have a new big news for you. From now on, you can create and connect your Inventorylab and SmartRepricer integration from only one tool. You don't need to go to separately Inventorylab and also SmartRepricer. With that new feature improvement, you don't need to go back any other tools that you are going to use, and so that's how you can save a lot of time. So let me show you how you can enable from your SmartRepricer Inventorylab integration connection and how you can do from both sides. So as you can see, at the moment we are seeing Inventorylab integration page. At the moment, the SmartRepricer connection is disabled. Let's get a look SmartRepricer also, and as you can see at the moment, the status is not connected. So first of all, let's create our connection from Inventorylab from the integration page. So let's get enable and click connect. Let's wait only 10 or 15 seconds, not even that. And when we look at the SmartRepricer page, let's refresh our page. And as you can see, right now, the Inventorylab and also SmartRepricer integration has been started. So let's make the same connection from the both side, but this time from SmartRepricer. Let's get status offline, and let's look at accounting, and let's look at integration. And as you can see, the SmartRepricer toggle has been off automatically. This time, let's open Inventorylab connection from SmartRepricer. And then let's go back to Inventorylab one more time to click accounting or any other tab to go back to integration. As you can see, the Inventorylab and SmartRepricer integration has been started in just 3 or 4 seconds. As you can see, every day and every week we are improving our product relationship between, and we are planning to integrate with much more 3 calls product. Stay tuned.